Highlights right now. And this was actually started out pretty close, but again, Signal nung bandang gitna, may ginamit na naman silang run na mahaba, Denise.
Oo, tsaka I mean, you talked about the combination of Gonzakis, but you know, there's also players sa kombinasyon ng mga NCAA stars natin.
Yeah.
Shana De Los Santos, Honey Reyes Tubino, like what
Cesc
I said,
Molina.
Jack Junela, yes, Cesc Molina. Everybody again worked very well from that Signal side.
Jovelyn Gonzaga started to take over somewhere in that fourth set. Makita mo naman yung pasabog na ginawa after that very long rally. And that told the story para sa Signal dito, mga kaibigan. They have taken this one, and Petron's winning streak is over at 5 straight.
Ayan, kasama natin ngayon ang Gonzakis combo. Congratulations on winning the first game dito sa ating final round. Rachel Andakis with 11 attacks, 1 block, and 3 aces. At si Jovelyn Gonzaga naman 15 attacks and 1 block. Rachel, when you guys won the last match, ang sabi nyo marami pa kayong improvements na kailangan gawin entering the final round. So ano yung mga yon na ginawa nyo going into this game?
Una-una, naging advantage yung wala kaming laro. So, na-polish namin yung mga kulang namin and yung mga weaknesses namin like yung service receive. Doon kami nag-focus as in yung talagang doon tumatagal yung training namin sa service receive.
And your only loss dito sa conference ay galing din dito sa Petron. So how sweet it is na itong panalo nyo sa finals. The first one is from Petron pa.
Yeah. Una-una, sabi namin, bawasan namin yung errors namin kasi nung first meeting namin, 40 errors yun, 40 plus errors yun. So, na-minimize naman namin. So, ang ganda naman ng resulta.
Well, papunta naman tayo sa'yo, Job. Yung isa mong palo kanina, halos wala ka ng itira. Binigay mo na yata lahat. So, ano yung feeling na nandito kayo ngayon sa finals, nakuha nyo yung first win at sana magtuloy-tuloy na nga?
Sobrang sarap sa feeling kasi yung pinaghirapan namin as a team and ng coaching staff and ng buong Signal family is ito, naging ganito ang resulta. And so far, nakita naman natin na nalasan namin yung errors namin. And sobrang fulfilling yung feeling namin ngayon. And thankful kami kay Papa God sa nangyari ngayon.
And tomorrow, you guys will be going up against Kobe Shinwa.
It's an honor na makalaro namin isang team sa Japan. And we will promise naman na we will give a good fight talaga sa mga nanonood sa PSL.